What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have an electric jar opener. This is going to be insane. Hopefully it works, you guys. Hopefully it works. Why do I hope it works? Because y'all know those pickle jars? They are like the hardest thing to open in life. And if you are like me and you push past 40, sometimes you might get a little arthritis, and yeah, you'll need your kids or somebody to open the jar for you. So you won't stay young forever, you guys. All right, anyways, this is an electric jar opener. This is good, you guys, for Mother's Day, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, Christmas, or whatever day you give gifts on, birthdays. And we are going to check this out. Now, one of the key things that I am interested in is how much jar does this open, or how big of a jar does this open. Unfortunately, I don't have a big jar. I have a little smaller jar, but I will be purchasing some pickles and stuff because we're about to cook out, you guys. Memorial Day, blah 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 blah. All right, so pretty much we will be using a pickle jar soon. And oh, it has a mechanism right here. Oh, and we need batteries, of course. 2 AA batteries. I love these instructions. So I'm going to go straight to troubleshooting right now for y'all. They have negative and positive labeled right here. Don't know if you can see it, but this is where it's labeled at. So I'm gonna put that in, put this in. All right, now it says place the jar opener on top of your jar. All right, so here we have a jar and we are going to place it on top. It says press and hold the button for 15 to 20 seconds. So it gripped the top, now it's gripping the sides of the jar. I mean, I guess that's it. Was I supposed to keep my hand on it? Wait for the product to return to original position. Oops. I got too excited, you guys. So let's try it one more time for the cameras, you guys. We're doing this for the cameras. So we're gonna put it on top. We're gonna hold it down. And this time, once it grips on, all right, once it starts turning, I'm gonna let go. I let go. It's already open, that's how come I think it's like that. And then it's backing out. And that's it. You don't want to take it off too early. You want to wait until everything goes back to its original position. That will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you, or try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.